बिहार को बिहार का लाल चलाएगा, कोई बाहर ही नहीं चलाएगा.
Notwithstanding opinion polls which showed him as the most preferred choice for Chief Minister, Tejasvi Yadav led the Mahagathbandhan alliance to a massive defeat in the assembly polls in Bihar on Friday. With the alliance of the RJD, Congress, VIP and the left parties registering a poor show, struggling to cross even the 40-seat mark, Lalu and Rabri's son and the Mahagathbandhan's CM face, Tejasvi, faced one of the toughest moments in his political career. Such was the scale of the defeat that Tejasvi himself barely managed to scrape through in the family bastion of Raghopur, trailing for most of the rounds to BJP's Satish Kumar. In the last week of October, a fortnight before the state voted, the Mahagathbandhan had picked Tejasvi as its CM face, hoping to bank on his appeal among the youth.
इसलिए मैं ये कह सकता हूं, खड़गे साहब, राहुल गांधी जी और तमाम जो साथी बैठे हमारे, इन सब की राय लेकर के हम लोगों ने तय किया है, इस चुनाव में अगले मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे के रूप में तेजस्वी यादव जी को हम लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Tejasvi has been widely believed to be the rightful heir to Lalu Yadav's political legacy. Even though during the campaigning he established himself as an energetic campaigner, he failed to shrug off the ruling alliance's charge of symbolizing the return of Jungle Raj if he was voted to power.
ये डे वन से था कि बिहार में अराजकता की सरकार नहीं बनेगी, भ्रष्टाचारियों की सरकार नहीं बनेगी, लूट खसोट की सरकार नहीं बनेगी. बिहार की जनता अमन, चैन, शांति, न्याय के साथ विकास, वही हुआ. आज का युवा भले ना वो दिन देखा हो, लेकिन उनके घर के बुजुर्ग तो देखा है. जब एक साल सरकार में रहते हैं तेजस्वी, तो क्या अराजकता फैलाने की कोशिश करते हैं, सब देखा है.
Born on November 9, 1989 in Bihar's Gopalganj district, Tejasvi is the youngest of 9 siblings. Tejasvi began his education in Patna and later shifted base to Delhi along with his eldest sister Misa Bharti. He studied till class 5 at DPS Vasant Vihar before shifting to the school's RK Puram branch, where he continued till the 9th standard before dropping out to pursue a career in cricket. As a cricketer, he played for his school team and later represented Delhi in the under-15, under-17 and under-19 cricket squads. Tejasvi was contracted by the Delhi Daredevils for the Indian Premier League and was also selected for the Jharkhand team. In 2013, Tejasvi ended his cricketing career to enter the political arena full-time.
चश्मा साफ कर लीजिए, खोल के ये नजारा देखो.
His first attempt at politics dates back to the 2010 Bihar election when he campaigned for the Rashtriya Janata Dal.
मैं समझता हूं कि शुरुआत ये हुई कि भाई लालू प्रसाद के ऊपर बहुत सारी केसेस, बहुत सारे मामले, काफ़ी जेल में उनको रहना पड़ा और राबड़ी देवी भी परेशानी में थी क्योंकि आखिर कैसे कैसे निपटा जाए सारी चुनौतियों से. और परिवार में 2 बच्चे थे, बल्कि 2 लड़के थे, लड़कियां काफ़ी थीं, कई थीं, तो उन्होंने ये सोचा कि भाई तेजस्वी को आगे करो.
Tejasvi became an MLA for the first time in 2015, winning from the family bastion of Raghopur. The RJD was in alliance with Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United at that time, and Tejasvi was appointed Bihar's Deputy Chief Minister in the Nitish Kumar government. But the victorious alliance did not last long. Tejasvi Yadav was accused of corruption and Nitish Kumar sought the resignation of his young deputy. However, Tejasvi refused to resign. As a result, in July 2017, Nitish Kumar dissolved the alliance with RJD and formed a new government with the Bharatiya Janata Party. The RJD moved to the opposition in the Bihar Assembly and Tejasvi became the leader of opposition. By 2018, he had established himself as a strong leader within the party.
और अब काफ़ी हद तक प्राधिकार जिसको कहते हैं अथॉरिटी वो तेजस्वी के पास भी आ गई है। इसलिए आपने देखा इस बार परिवार के किसी भी सदस्य को विधायक का टिकट नहीं मिला, एमएलए का टिकट नहीं मिला। बहुत लोग चाहते थे, ऐसा मैंने सुना है, सिर्फ तेज प्रताप नहीं और भी लोग चाहते थे, लेकिन किसी को नहीं मिला। तो तेज प्रताप पहले ही किनारा हो कट लिए, वो अलग। तो आई थिंक तेजस्वी इज लीडिंग नाउ not only Mahagठबंधन but his family also.
The RJD and the Congress joined hands to contest the Bihar Assembly elections in 2020, with Tejaswi projected as the alliance's chief ministerial face. The alliance won 110 of the 243 assembly constituencies, with the RJD alone bagging 75 seats, emerging as the single largest party in the Bihar Assembly. However, they could not form the government and Tejaswi had to sit across the aisle, being elected as the leader of opposition once again. By 2022, the JDU-BJP alliance in power had begun to fray and Nitish Kumar decided to walk out and join hands with the Rashtriya Janata Dal yet again. The new Bihar government took oath on August 10, 2022 with Nitish Kumar as the chief minister and Tejaswi Yadav as the deputy chief minister. Analysts are divided over his contributions during that tenure.
अभी तक उनकी इस रूप में पहचान नहीं है कि व्यक्तिगत नेतृत्व के साथ वो सरकार नीतीश जी के समानांतर उनके जैसा या उनके बेहतर चला लेंगे।
देखिए, मैं दो चीज़ों को याद कर सकता हूँ। एक तो नीतीश कुमार जी मुख्यमंत्री और तेजस्वी यादव डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर, उस दौरान दो बड़े काम हुए। एक तो नौकरियों का जो वादा इन लोगों ने किया था उसको तेजस्वी ने काफ़ी उसमें अहम भूमिका निभाई, बल्कि इनिशिएटिव लिया एक तरह से कहा जा सकता है। लेकिन सच यह है कि बिहार में नौकरियों के लिए उन्होंने काफ़ी बड़ा काम किया। एक दूसरा भी काम जो कम याद किया जाता है वो था कि सामाजिक आर्थिक जो सर्वेक्षण कराया पूरे बिहार का, जिसको लोकल भाषा में या पॉपुलर भाषा में जातिवार सर्वेक्षण कहते हैं। और ये जो जातिवार सर्वेक्षण था 2023, इसमें मैं समझता हूं कि तेजस्वी की बड़ी भूमिका थी।
In July 2023, the Central Bureau of Investigation filed a fresh charge sheet against Tejaswi Yadav for his alleged involvement in a jobs for land scam from 14 years earlier. Citing this, Nitish Kumar once again decided to break his party's alliance with the RJD. Tejaswi had to resign as Deputy Chief Minister and once again don the mantle of the leader of opposition. Even though the Mahagathbandhan had reposed its faith in Yadav for the 2025 state polls, the political sign of Lalu and Rabri failed to deliver, leading the alliance to a massive defeat at the hustings.